Walmart has been one of the last major U.S. retailers refusing to support Tap to Pay. No Apple Pay, no Google Pay, no NFC terminal, just Walmart Pay. Their own system, whether customers liked it or not. But that era is basically over. Walmart is finally rolling out Apple Pay and Google Pay across its stores nationwide. And this is a big shift in the retail power map. Today we're breaking down why Walmart resisted so long and what changed and what this means for the digital payment and consumer sovereignty. For nearly a decade, Walmart has been the biggest holdout in the U.S. retail space, while Target and Costco and Walgreens, CVS, Best Buys, and even the small shops adopt Tap to Pay. Walmart dug in its heels. Why? Walmart Pay wanted full control over the payment experience, their own app, their own data, their own loyalty integration. Data ownership. When you use Apple Pay and Google Pay, Walmart gets less granular data. Interchange fees. Walmart has always fought credit card fees. Retail sovereignty. Walmart wanted independence from Apple and Google Pay and the card networks. They weren't just being stubborn, they were protecting their ecosystem. But the world has changed. Why Walmart finally gave in? So, what forced Walmart's hand? Customer pressure. Millions of shoppers expecting Tap to Pay. Apple Pay alone handles 1 billion transactions per year. Google Pay dominates Android. Walmart became the only major retailer without it. Customers noticed. Checkout speed. Tap to Pay is faster. When Walmart Pay lines move quicker, self-checkout becomes smoother. Walmart's own internal metrics likely showed the friction. Competitive pressure. Target, Costco, Sam's Club, owned by Walmart, all support Tap to Pay. Walmart was the odd one out. Regulatory industry shifts. The U.S. payment industry moved toward NFC standardization. Banks and card networks all want universal capabilities. Walmart can't fight the entire ecosystem forever. Walmart Pay isn't enough. Walmart Pay never reached mass adoption. People didn't want to open an app just to pay. Tap to Pay is a muscle memory now. This rollout changes the everyday shopping experience. Apple Pay and Google Pay will work at checkout. Tap to Pay terminals will be enabled across Walmart stores. Self-checkout becomes faster and more reliable. Privacy improvement. Apple Pay hides your credit card number. Security improvements. Tokenization replaces swipe data. No more forcing Walmart Pay. This is one of the biggest realities payment shifts in years. This is where the things get interesting. Walmart spent years trying to build sovereign payment ecosystem, their own app and own data, their own loyalty system. But sovereignty only works when people actually use the system. Apple Pay and Google Pay represent customer sovereignty. People choose the wallet they want to trust, not the one that retailers force. Walmart's shift is a sign of broader trends. Users want control. Retailers can't lock down payment ecosystems anymore. Open standards win. Convenience beats corporate strategy. This is the rare moment where the consumer wins. Walmart held out longer than anyone expected, but the pressure finally broke through. Apple Pay and Google Pay are coming to Walmart, and the Tap to Pay era is now universal across the U.S. retail. This is a win for convenience, privacy, and user choice. And it's another example of how digital sovereignty isn't about government or tech companies. It's about everyday people choosing the tools that work best for them. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll bring you more.